Eastbound on King. My car is 10-7. Red Dodge pickup truck, Oklahoma tag 211, and I did not get the rest of it. Union 347, can you start the helicopter? This is an AWDW on a police officer. Eastbound on what? I think it's King. He's going back towards, like Louisville and all that. Coming out at Pine and Dawson, he went north on Louisville, and then we'd have to go back west. Other units, we can get some people on Yale, and like Pine and Yale and Admiral. There's only a few ways out of this neighborhood. I got Admiral and Harvard. Can I make a description? The red single cab Dodge pickup truck, a Ram, probably like a early 90s model. I believe it's a white male driver. Union 347 also, a white or Hispanic male passenger jumped out and fled eastbound on foot. He was wearing blue jeans and a white t-shirt. Charlie 301, I've got a Dodge eastbound at Sandusky on
Pine. He's got damage to the back bumper. Josh, was it red? Was the bumper red? Yeah, he's stand by. He's at Urbana. He's backing up. He's going south on Urbana into the neighborhood. South on Urbana.
Charlie 30, I'll monitor.
He's gonna go west on Oklahoma. He's west on Oklahoma. I'm just keeping my distance here.
Charlie 30, what's the ETA on the helicopter? Do we start a K9? 30 Alpha, unknown amount of time, K9 car in your mouth. He's headed towards Sandusky.
Yeah, I lost him. Go south there.
South on Sandusky. William 347, that popped out on Pittsburgh if we can get somebody on Admiral Place. South on Sandusky. He's still south on Sandusky. We're passing Latimer Street. One of these other units at Admiral and Harvard here, stay put and hold that intersection. You got
direction on he's up in a yard here at Archer and Pittsburgh. Now we're remaining westbound on Archer again.
I'll take the number 1 spot. I'll take the number. Looks like he just rammed another one of our people.
Yeah. Give us the radio. Give us the radio. He's going north on New Haven. These cars need the radio. No other traffic. Charlie 39 is number 1. Charlie 301 is number 2. We are northbound on New Haven. Northbound New Haven.
We need units to hold the major intersections for us. We've got enough cars in the neighborhood with this thing set. Those that are holding intersections, try to have spike strips that keep popping back out. I think it's 36, we got a good look at him. He's white, standing, black hat, black shirt, he comes out.
Charlie 39, you call it.
He's fixing to come back up on Pine. We're still northbound on New Haven. He's fixing to come back up on Pine. He's coming right at you.
Charlie 301, he swerved towards a unit there. Did we get him spiked or not? Did he try and hit you, officer?
He's already rammed 2 police officers.
10-4, Charlie 301. He's crashed out at Dawson and Yale, Pine.
30, shots fired.
Get in your house now!
We got plenty here, Pine and Dawson. William 30, start exit stage. Charlie 30, start exit. Watch commander. Unit 53, can you start? Charlie 30, start SIU. 559, we're monitoring your route. PIO has also been notified and en route. William 30, we do not need any more cars at the scene. Wait. Charlie 39, 271 Henry Charlie Ocean.